जय।
Hand of a responsible person versus power in the hands of irresponsible person has a certain merit and consequence, right?
Yeah.
तो इसी प्रकार से अगर आप सोचें कि if you had all the power of almost not dying, what would you do? Because if you don't have the conscience and anchor, then you'll go astray. This is what Hiranyakashipu is. Now today in this world also we have many Hiranyakashipus, little Hiranyakashipus. घूम रहे छोटे-छोटे रावण घूम रहे हैं, छोटे-छोटे Hiranyakashipu घूम रहे हैं. Is it not?
Everywhere, all
Everywhere,
place,
yeah.
every
Yeah,
second,
everywhere.
every moment.
Yeah. So कितने सारे घरों में ऐसा हो रहा है, पिताजी एडवोकेट हैं, वो चाहते हैं बेटा भी एडवोकेट बने, बेटा कहता नहीं मैं बड़े होकर एक्टर बनूंगा. It starts with an A also, you know. But and there's a conflict at home, right? So it is a eternal conflict of ideology that we see, right?
Correct.
Where the person with the power might want to project his power onto others, but the divine will always find a way to balance, and this is what this divine intervention of Bhagwan Narasimha is. आपके पास कितनी भी शक्तियाँ हो, you cannot fool the divine balance because it will find its way.
Yeah, one more thing I want to ask that when that guy, the negative character, was
Hiranyakashipu.
was troubling to the child, he's been gone through very tough time and bad things. He's seen, you know,
The child,
every time, yeah. It was feeling very pain to me when I was seeing जैसे उसको आग में बिठा दिया, नाग में केस, तो उस बच्चे की हालत कितनी बुरी हो गई होगी उस टाइम पर. But he's a spiritual power. He had a spiritual power and he was a divine child. So ठीक था. But can you just think like how worst the person can do on a very extreme level? Means it's an ego. Ego is a definition of everything goes.
जी.
Ego means का मतलब ही है
जी हाँ,
ये.
जी.
Ego means everything goes. तो सब कुछ बर्बाद हुआ, नष्ट हो गया.
जी हाँ.
तो what he got for doing all these things? ये करके क्या मिला उसको?
The antagonist आप हिरण्यकश्यप की बात करें.
हाँ, what he got for doing all these things? क्या मिला उसको? This is a good question. I mean, I don't know.
Man, I know you have the excitement, but
देखिए
last question.
सबसे अच्छी चीज ये मिली कि वो भगवान के दर्शन कर पाया. That's the best thing that I can think of.